Babe, where are we?
Animal
Kingdom.
Oh, they just opened it, babe.
Woo! Okay, the rope drop. Let's go. The tree of life, right? Babe, where are we going?
Avatar.
So what's with the right? They think
the
they're
people that were going to the right think that they were going to Avatar today. Here, I'll get some of you.
Oh, there's nothing to see. Oh. All right, babe. All right, now let's walk out the store so you can see the tree up there. Look how pretty. Can't stay away from the toys. Let's go, babe. Oh, babe, who are we meeting?
Moana.
Okay. Baby, who are we meeting?
Moana. Yes?
Felt.
Greetings, fellow wilderness explorers. Look to the Discovery River. Here come two festive friends in search of a very rare bird called squidden. From Disney Pixar's Up, it's Russell and Doug.
There's a Starbucks straight ahead.
And you're going to enjoy it.
Oh. Huh? Okay, babe, which place is this? China? Nepal. Where's Nepal, babe?
Asia.
Asia. Ooh, look.
Oh, the bird show.
Babe.
We're here.
Asia! I knew we were in Asia.
We're here, babe.
All right, babe, what have you got on the menu?
Rice, chicken, fries, and fried rice.
Okay, I'll get it. Okay.
Can't find the directions.
We didn't do any shows this time.
It says we gotta go back the way we came. Well, there's nothing back there.
Look, babe. Look. Wow.
Am I gonna be in the video too?
Yeah. You never tried it though?
No, I did. I told you I got them all.
They're so good. Thank you. Wow. Babe, how was it? All right, babe, which way to the Restaurantosaurus?
Restaurantosaurus is this way.
Okay. No, babe, do it how you did it. What was that one called? The twist.
soft serve.
The twist. Babe, did you put it on your face? There's no characters.
Alright, we gotta find the dinosaur.
It's all the way to the back and to the left. All right, Bugsy. Bugsy, where are we off to?
Dinosaur.
Dino Land.
I think we found it. Hey, look.
Oh, look. Babe, hop in for a selfie. Ow.
That was you.
Picture, babe.
Alright, flip around. Hit the pose.
No, I'm not going to be posing or anything.
Perfect.
Just their way of communicating with them and saying, hey, thanks for doing that. We really hope we made it worth your while and that you'll do it again and again so you can keep sharing these beautiful birds with you and getting some super up-close looks as they're flying up to those perches out there. Now, we do love working with these birds every single day, but I have to tell you, not a single one of us go home to macaw in the household. And that's because while they are beautiful and intelligent, they're also messy. You can actually hear them from miles away. Just like that until after the sun goes down. So that's going to be a lifelong commitment to an alarm clock with no snooze button, because these birds live decades on end. 50 to 60 years is not unheard of, and that's why it's so great that you can come to places like the Animal Kingdom, meet beautiful birds just like Paris and Chowder here to get your parrot fix. They're going to keep their homes free. Now, if you're just macaws, we're lucky enough to work with 8 out of the almost 17 different species you can find out in the wild. And one that's really special to us is called the blue-throated macaw. The reason those are so special to us is because they're actually one of the rarest left out in the wild. Blue-throated macaws are critically endangered, and they're only found in a very small portion of Bolivia where they're facing a lot of challenges like deforestation, which is leading to their habitat loss, and even the illegal pet trade. In fact, in Bolivia where they're found, there's estimated to be fewer than 400 blue-throated macaws left. Now those 400, only about 50 are nesting pairs. Now I know that's a really scary low number, but it's not all bad news. That's because people have noticed and decided to take action. We partnered with an incredible organization called the World Parrot Trust. They're leaders in macaw conservation, and they're working on breeding blue-throated macaws to release out into the wild. The goal is that they'll meet up with that smaller native population and have some babies of their own to drive that number up. Because we want to see skies filled with macaws. Let's like that look a little bit. Like this. little bit of a dramatic effect, but most of them are out of here. A couple of them are sticking around to finish up their snacks. And we're going to be here as long as we can.
Thanks so much. You too.
Thank you.
Careful, babe. They're gonna unroll the spikes for you.
We need our tickets. Oh, not yet. We need our tickets out.
Look, she has an owl. Look, baby, she has an owl.
Cute.
That's from Cinderella, right?
I think so. Oh, now we need our tickets, baby. Oh! He was in that pub yesterday.
Yeah. Babe, where are you?
Oh,
Hollywood Studios.
Mickey! You don't see anything. Definitely did have it at one point. Oh, nice.
Where are you from? Okay. And a picture, babe? My husband thought this was bacon and not merge. It was a merge.
There's a bacon restaurant down the street.
It was merge. All right, babe, where are we going first? We're going to MK, but we gotta hop on this shuttle. Okay.
All right, good morning, folks. As you're making your way up, you're going to come in.
The monorail is pulling up, girl.
Baby, don't spill your drink. Babe, look. The Disney monorail. Babe, are you gonna tell them or should I tell them? Epcot's not opening for another 40 minutes.
They gotta go back the other way to get down. Magic Kingdom. I wonder how many of them went to the Magic Kingdom one and then had to come back because they didn't realize that.
We're getting off the first step. The whole cabin to ourselves, babe?
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. The crew cabin. All right, babe, what's the plan for today? This is our last day,
We don't have a plan.
and there's no plan. Just to pack our bags and check the rental car.
Rental car.
Did you have a fun trip, babe?
Yes, baby. Did you?
All of us. Look, more people are coming up. Part 2 of the monorail.
It's a hotel.
That's the hotel.
That's a hotel.
Oh, look there.
Not to be confused with our hotel.
Oh, wow. That's impressive.
We are now passing Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of Disney Vacation Club.
There it is.
Oh yeah, there it is. Nice.
Look.
The castle didn't always look like that, right? The first time we came, it was like pink and gray.
No, it was always like that, babe.
That was kind of like faded the first time we saw it.
Oh, you gotta read this thing.
Yeah, I never did it.
I can check the pictures from the 1980s. Remember the photo bucket?
Oh my gosh, look at those lines.
Designated area outside the park entrance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay until the monorail stops completely and the doors are open. This is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
Okay, we're gonna sprint in 5.
You got it open? The Last Day Chronicles.
Whoa!
The last day, honey. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat something like this. But, oh, I'm still filming. Let me.
Dígame el día de hoy, porque hoy lo voy a pasar excelente.
Oh, sorry. Ooh. I seem to be filming. Bear. All right, hang on there.
Repentance in the night and made a switch to yes. Oh, unfortunate souls this one won't do to me dinner, that one wants to get the girl into a hell blow. Yes, indeed. She won't say a word. She won't say a word until I kiss again. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, the black and white and shiny, gonna kiss me good. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad, ain't it the shade too bad, gonna miss me good. Hey, sleeper.
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's the sea witch.
Yeah, so cute. Thank you so much. Babe. It's good. The brownie sundae.
Inside those glass pyramids, find a pure spark and journey into imagination with faith.
I love her. Thanks. The ones that they're getting set on now? Hi, babe. Back to Magic Kingdom for the Tron ride.
I wasn't pointing fingers.
All right, right, babes, where are you now?
Magic Kingdom again.
Back at the Kingdom of Magic. Babe, look straight ahead. We gotta hang right.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games.
Stick with you guys.
Oh my gosh. The 2Ps. Thank you. All right, you ready? Okay, we're leaving and we're headed to,
The car.
yeah. So 2 monorail rides, and then we're gonna go to the Hollywood what?
Studio.
Studios.
It was good.
All right, where are we headed next, babe?
Hollywood.
We're gonna get the car first. We gotta get in the car.
No.
I love you, pretty green.
No.
Bye, Disney. Until next time.
See you soon.
Bye, Disney.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on Woodpecker Lane. Continue straight to stay on Woodpecker Lane.
Cool.
Continue for 1 mile. In a quarter mile, merge on.
Is this how we park now?
Exit the traffic circle.
Yeah, we try and park.
Fair. What's the difference between a 13-inch pie and 16-inch pie?
I don't know. Watch the last video.
Dinner time math.
Oh, coming back.